how we do it every day. Order case, tell the bartender we need 30 more. Nigga, if you ain't spending money, what the fuck you in it for? In it for? What the fuck you in it for? Nigga, if you ain't spending money, what the fuck you in it for? In it for? What the fuck you in it for? Bitch, if you ain't tryna fuck them, what the fuck you in it for? You know me, no, I don't talk, my nigga, I be about it. Can't even count it, need an accountant. I'm rich, so now my bitch is bad, I need a stallion. Ain't tricking, I just treat her like she need allowance. Smoke the whole pound, man, we gon' need an Allen. Keep my toys in the garage so bitches think I'm childish. Oh, I got money, you could keep your talent. You ain't even getting money, you just be around it. Engine screaming when I run it, waking neighbors when I'm coming. Hear them talk but they don't want it, them niggas frontin'. Smoking loud, the shit you smoke ain't saying nothing. Them niggas talking shit but they ain't saying nothing. If I brought it off the crack, I mean I'm spending everything. Yeah, what we doing? Getting money. How we